यार मेरे दोस्तों के इतने अच्छे पॉइंट है यार, मेरे क्यों नहीं? दे हैव सच अ ह्यूज हाउस, गाड़ी है, पैसा है, हमारे पास क्यों नहीं? ही इज सच अ गुड लुकिंग गाय और मैं इतना बदसूरत क्यों? गोलू ने नया फोन लिया और मेरे पास क्यों नहीं? घर वालों को बोलना पड़ेगा मेरे को भी फोन लेकर दो ऐसा। नहीं 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 नहीं, मैं इसी में खुश हूं। देखा, हर चीज में कंपैरिजन। आज बात करेंगे सबसे अनोखी चीज की, जिसका नाम है चंपारिजन। चंपा कंपैरिजन। बच्चों से लेके बड़ों तक सब तरफ चलता है कंपैरिजन। ये आपकी सारी खुशियां छीन लेता है। कंपैरिजन इज द thief of joy. See guys, I personally used to compare a lot. Like comparing was all I did with others. I used to compare their strengths to my weaknesses, and it used to hurt me a lot. Like we typically compare all the worst we know about ourselves to the best we presume about others, and it's of no use. क्यों compare करते हैं हम हर चीज में? Is it adding any value, any meaning or any fulfillment in our life? It is just distracting us from our actual path. Can't we be happy with whatever we are having? Wait, कितने दिनों से यही फ्रेम है? Let's change the frame.
Whoa, how's the frame? So guys, as we were speaking about comparison, in sports you might be seeing athletes. Athletes do compete with each other. They don't compare. They are known as competitors. Or if they will compare, we will say them competitors. No guys, like competition helps us to strive for a greater heights and break all our beliefs, the limiting beliefs, which we say that I can't do this, I can't do that, he's such a good one, I'm not. It helps to break us all the beliefs. So better compete with each other rather than comparing. And gradually as the competition increases, you surely start comparing. So please keep in mind that you yourself are a unique one. Whoa, it's raining. Let's change the frame once again.
This frame is only better, safe, secure. Mine. Jokes apart, coming on to the topic, a few days back I read an article by the UC Davis football coach Dan Hawkins. You all might be knowing him. In that article, it was mentioned that comparing and competing both are similar. Both involve spending time on thinking about how to stack up against another guy. Comparison tends to devolve either into self-flattery or self-pity. You are either patting your own back or kicking your own butt. See, comparison says, look at where I am, and competition says, look at where I am going. We all say competition is healthy, but comparison is unhealthy. But both are so similar. Both are meant to bring out the desired outcomes. See guys, but the difference lies in the approach. This is why we say comparison is an example of negative reinforcement and competition is an example of positive reinforcement. This is the reason, the approach. So just try to focus on yourself. Focus on how can we develop our own self, क्योंकि तेरी लड़ाई खुद से है.